Hello there. So changing the sample rate on the Delta Ohm data logger makes a big difference to battery life. Normally one only needs sampling every few minutes, and sometimes people set them to very short times, which can reduce the battery life enormously. So we're in the software screen, which I'm sure you've used before. You'll have your end device or end devices along here, and we're going to click on settings. Now, because of the way data is transmitted, it is possible, it's quite slow, so don't panic if it sits there with the circle rotating like that for quite some time. It's just the nature of the beast, unfortunately. One of the ways that the batteries are saved is by using a method of data transfer which is slow. So just talk amongst yourselves a moment while that is doing its thing. In fact, I might pause the video until that's finished loading. Okay, and we're back. Just as soon as I paused, it came up. So here we can see the standard setup for that ED screen, and we can see on our one the RF and log interval and measuring interval, which should be the same, by the way, is set to 10 minutes, which is a very reasonable time. If we go into logging parameters, we can select how long you want it, the length of time, the time between logs. So let's change that to 15 minutes for the sake of argument. That will turn green to say that the request has been made, but it hasn't changed yet. And again, turn green, but it hasn't changed yet. It comes up and tells us that the storage capacity is 437 days. Doesn't tell us how long the battery will last, but it will last a very long time at that sort of rate. Click apply, and again you can see that it says request to change. That light will go from green to off once that change has been made, so one has to be a bit patient.